Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. As usual, today also we came up with another important topic of your book, that is Roman number. Students, I assure you after watching this video you will not have a single doubt from this particular topic. But you need to watch the full video without skipping. Students, before starting with Roman number, we will discuss about Hindu Arabic numbers. Students, in our daily life we use these numbers for writing the numeral value. For example, if we write 253, we write 2, 5 and 3, that is 253. Now, if I write 724, we will use 7, 2 and 4 for writing 724. So, in Hindu Arabic numbers, we use these numbers for writing any numerical value. But today, our topic is Roman number. Students, from my past experience, I find that many students find this topic very difficult. But I am going to make it easier for you. Yes, you will know the basic formula or rules, but in a proper approach. So let's start. First and foremost, you need to know some values. That is, if we write this I, this represents 1. If I write V, that represents 5. If I write X, this X represents 10. If I write here L, L represents 50. Next, C, that is 100. Next, D, which represents 500. Next, we have M, which represents 1000. So, these things are written in Roman numbers, whereas these are the Hindu Arabic numbers. So, by using this all Roman numbers, we can write any Roman number. So, let's start with the topic now. So, this thing you need to remember. This is the basic thing which you should remember. So, let's start Roman number. First, we will not learn the rules, but we will learn the rules while writing the Roman numbers. Students, we will start from 1. So here 1 is written like this. So this is 1 in Roman number. So this one is 1. How you are going to write 2? So this one is 1. How you are going to write 2? So 1 time I means 1. So 2 times I will write like this. That will represent 2. Now, if we write 1, 2, 3, 3 I's, this will represent 3. But, can we write 4 like this? 4 times I is 4? No, we cannot write it. This is wrong. Because our first rule in Roman number says that we cannot repeat any of this Roman number more than thrice. So here, as you cannot repeat this I more than 3 times, so you cannot write 4 using this I which is representing 1. So how you are going to write 4? You need to use the next Roman number, that is V, which is representing 5, to write 4. So you need to write 4 here. How you will write 4? Using this 5. So V represents 5. So before 5, that is V, if we write one I, that means here it is 5 and here 1. So, whenever you will see that bigger number is written on the right hand side, and before this 5, we have this smaller number. 1 is smaller than 5. So, if it is written in this order, that is bigger number will be here. Before that, you will get a smaller number. That time, what you need to do is, you need to subtract the smaller number from this bigger number. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the second rule that we have learned here is, we need to subtract the smaller number on the left hand side from the bigger number on the right hand side. So 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So we have learned how to write 4 here. So after 4 we have 5, and here already we have learned in the beginning how to write 5. So if you want to write 5 in Roman number, you need to write like this, that is a V. Next, what you need to learn is how to write 6. So here we have learned how to write 5. So this is 5 and we know 5 plus 1 is 6. But in Roman number, how you are going to write 5 plus 6? First, you write 5 like this. You have written 5. So if we write 1 on the left hand side, it will become 4. That is 5 minus 1 is 4. But if we write this 1 on the right hand side of this 5, so here we have 5 and next we have 1. That means on the left hand side we have bigger number and on the right hand side we have smaller number. 1 is smaller than 5. That means we need to add. So here 5 plus 1 will become 6. So here the rule which you have learnt is, if there is a smaller number on the right hand side of the bigger number, then it is added to the bigger number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now let's learn how we are going to write 7. So we know 5 means V in Roman number. So after 5 we need to add 2. You need to add 2 to 5 to get 7. That is 5 plus 2 is 7. So this one is 5 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 1 means 2. We have learnt already here. So here 5, 6, 7. So 7 is written like this. Now how you are going to write 8? Isn't it very easy? So you write here 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you are getting 8. So here 5 and here repetition of numbers means addition. We have 1, 2, 3 and here we know repetition of any number in Roman number means addition. So here 1, 2, 3. 3 times I means 3. So 5 plus 3. Here we have 5 bigger number and these are smaller numbers. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We are getting here 8. Now let's see how you are going to write 9. So now let's write 9. Students, as you can see already we have repeated 3 i's in 8. So you cannot repeat any number in Roman number more than 3. So here thrice you have repeated I. So you cannot write 9 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is wrong. Then how you are going to write 9? So as you can see, using this I and this V, you cannot write 9. So you need to go for the next Roman number, that is 10. So using 10, how can you write 9? We know 10 minus 1 will give you 9. And I have already explained that if you write smaller number on the left hand side, then it is subtracted from the bigger number on the right hand side. So if we write 10 like this, from 10, if you want to minus 1, then you need to write 1 on the left hand side of 10. So this one is 10 which is bigger and this one is 1 which is smaller. So 10 minus 1 you will get here 9. Next number is 10. How do we write 10? We all know x represents 10. So you write 10 like this. Number is 11. How you are going to write 11? We know 11 means 10 plus 1 is 11. So we will write 10 like this. Plus 1 means 1 you need to write on the right hand side. Then only it will be plus. This one is 10 and this one is 1. This one is bigger number, this one is smaller. Whenever 1 is written or the smaller number is written on the right hand side, that means addition. So here it will be 10 plus 1, that is 11. Next, let's see how you are going to write 12. So this one is 10, 11, another one time, that is 12. So here this is 12. How you are going to write 13? X means 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can write 13 like this. Here we have repeated I for the 3 times and we know maximum number of repetition is 3 times. You have written 13 like this. So next you are going to write 14. How you are going to write 14? 10 plus 4 is 14. So let us write 10. So this is 10. 10 plus 4. Here we have learned how to write 4. That is IV. So you just write 14 like this. 10 plus 4 is 14. Or as you can see here already 3 times I is done, means you cannot repeat any more times. So you need to write it using the next number, that is V. So V minus 1 is 4. So here 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is 14. Now how you are going to write 15? Here, if you want to write 15, then you can write 10 plus 5 is 15. So after 10, you need to write 5. Then only you can add. That means to 10, you are going to add 5. So here 10 means x and b means 5. If we write b on the right hand side, then this one is bigger one. X is 10 and this one is 5. So v is written on the right hand side. That means this one is 10 plus 5. That is 15. Next, you need to write 16. So here 10 plus 6 is 16. So 10 is this one. And how you are going to write 6? So here we have learned how to write 6. So you write here 6 like this. That is 10 plus 6, 16. Next we are going to write 17. First write 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Here we have 7. We have learned how to write 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. So like this you are going to write 18. That is x v I. This is 8 here. And this one is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18 here. Now how you are going to write 19? So 10 plus 9 is 19 and we know 9 is written like this. We have learned here how to write 9. So this is 9 here. So you will write here x that is 19. This one is 10 plus 9 is 19. Now how you are going to write 20? So here for writing 20, you know 10 plus 10 is 20. So how you are going to write 10 plus 10? So repetition of any Roman number is addition. So you will write x that is 10 plus x. So 10 plus this x means 10 plus 10 that is 20. So this one is 20 here. You must remember that in Roman number you cannot repeat this 5, this L that is 50, this D that is 500. You cannot repeat this. How you are going to remember? Here we have 5. Here in 50 we have 5. In this 500 we have 5. So you cannot repeat B, L, D that is 5, 50 and 500 in Roman number. Else you can repeat I, X, C, M that is 1, 10, 100 and 1000 respectively 3 times. Okay, maximum number of repetition will be 3 times. So we have learned how to write 20. Let us see the next one. Now how you are going to write 21? So this one is 20, x plus x is 20, that is 10 plus 10. 21 means you need to add 1. So for adding 1 is smaller than 10. So you need to write 1 here. So here 10 plus 10 that is 20 plus 1. So you will get here 21. So write it down here. This is 21. Next you need to write 22. How you write 22? X means 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 1 is 2. So like this you can write 23. So you are going to comment me the answers of 22 and 23. Let us see how you are going to write 24. 24 means what? 20 plus 4. So 20 means this one. With 20 you need to add 4 and 4 is this one. So we have written 10 plus 10 plus 4 that is 24. So this is 24. How you are going to write 25 here? First you are going to write 20 that is x plus x. 20 plus 5 that is 25. So 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 5 is 25. Next how you are going to write 26. How you are going to write 26? First you are going to write 20 then 6. So this is 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. Now how you are going to write 27, 28, that you are going to comment me the answers in the comment box. Now you just write how to write 29. So 29 means what? 20x plus x is 20 plus 9 and 9 is written like this. So we have written 29. Next we will learn how to write 30. So repetition of x, we can write repetition of x is possible. So x plus x is 20. X plus x, this one is 10, this one is 10, 20. So 30 means you need to add more 10, one more 10. So here 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So this is 30. How you are going to write 34? So 30 means x plus 4, that is IV. Next, how you are going to write 35? that is x, that is 30, and this one is 5. How you are going to write 36 here? This one is x, that is 30 plus 6. Vi means 6. So this is 36. Now let's write 39. Rest you are going to do as a homework. 30 means x, and 9 means 1x. So this is 39. Now let's see how we are going to write 40. So students, x plus x, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. If we add 30 plus 10, we will get 40. So do we write like this? Is it possible to write 40 like this? No, it is not possible. Why? Because we have learnt in the previous rule that we cannot repeat any Roman number more than 3. So 30 we can write x plus x, but if we are writing another one x, that means x is repeated 4 times, so this is wrong. So by using this one, that is IVX 1, 5 and 10, we cannot write 40. So we need to check for the next Roman number, that is L. L means 50. So by using 50, how we can write 40? We know 50 minus 10 is 40. So how we are going to write 50 minus 10? We need to write 50 minus 10. Then only we will get 40. How you are going to write? So 50 means L. L means 50. So we need to subtract 10 from L. So if we want to subtract, means we need to write this 10 on the left hand side. 50 is more than 10. So before 50, if we write 10, that means it will be subtracted. So this one is 40. So my dear students, can you tell me how you are going to write 60 then? If you want to write 60, then 50 plus 10 will be 60. That time L will be written first, that is 50. With 50 you are adding 10, so 10 will be written after it. So here this one is 60. So whenever we are writing the smaller number, that is 10, before 50, that means it is subtracted. 50 minus 10 is 40. But whenever we write the smaller number after bigger number, that is 50 is greater, 50 plus 10, this time it will be 60. My dear students, now you just tell me how you are going to write 80. So this one is 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. 50, 60, 70, 80. So first, this one is 50. So 50 plus 10, if we add 10, we will get 60. Plus another 10, that is 70. Plus 110, we will get here 80. So this one is 50 plus 10, 60. Plus 10, 70. Plus 10, this one is 80. Now my dear students, can you tell me how you are going to write 90? Then we need to write this one 50 first. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So this one is 60, 70, 80, 90. Am I correct? No, I am not correct. You cannot write it like this. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because here we have repeated 4 times. And 4th time repetition is not allowed. Then how we are going to write 90? As we can see, we cannot use 50 to write 90. So we need to use the next Roman number, that is C, that is 100 to write 90. So let's see. So using this C, you are going to write 90. C means what? 100. So we know 100 minus 10 is 90. So 100 means C here. From C we need to subtract 10. Subtract 10 means we need to write 10 on the left hand side. This one is 100, which is greater or bigger, and here we have 10. So 10 is on the left hand side of the bigger number. So this one is 100 minus 10. So we will write 90 like this. So my dear students, I think how to write 90 is clear to you. Now you just tell me how you are going to write 99. How you will write 99? 99 means 90 plus 9. So x, C is 90 plus 9, that is 1x. So this one is 90 plus 9. This is 99. So similarly, you are going to write here 98. Just comment your answer below how you are going to write 98. So x, C is 90 and you need to write 8. V, I, 3 times I. So this one is 98. We know this one is 8. and this one is 90. So 90 plus 8 is 98. Now students, you just tell me how you are going to write 200. So you are going to write 200 now. How you will write? 200. 100 means C in the Roman number. So 2 times C means repetition of C 2 times. So 100 plus 100, you will get here 200. Now how you are going to write 300? This one is 100. This one is another 100. This one is another 100. So this one is 300. Now how you are going to write 400? Will you write 1, 2, 3, 4 C like this? You cannot repeat more than 3 times. So how you are going to write 400? So using this 100, you cannot write 400, means you need to use the next number in the Roman number, that is 500. And we know here that 500 minus 100 is 400. So write 500, that is D here. Minus 100 means C you need to write on the left hand side. So this one is 400. This one is 500 and this one is 100. As this one is smaller than 500, so 500 minus 100, you will get here 400. So we have written 400 and we all know how we are going to write 500. In the beginning only we have learned D means 500. So this is 500. Now how you are going to write 600? So more than 500 is 600. We know this one is 500. 500 plus 100 is 600. Plus 100 means you need to write 100 on the right hand side of D. So here this one is 500 and this one is 100. As 100 is smaller and on the right hand side of 500, that means it will be added. So this one is 600 here. Now how you are going to write 700? So 700 you are going to write, this one is 500, 600, 700. Now how you are going to write 800? 800 how you will write? This one is 500, 600, 700, 800. Isn't it very easy? Now 900 how you are going to write? D, that is 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Is it correct? No, it is not correct, because here we have repeated C 4 times and according to the rule you cannot repeat 4 times. So how you are going to write here 900? So using D you cannot write it. So you need to use the next Roman number, that is M, which is representing 1000. So using 1000 you need to write 900. Let's see. From 1000 if we subtract 100, then we will get 900. Subtracting 100 means we need to write 100 on the left hand side of M. So M is 1000 and this one is 100. So my dear students, with this we conclude the topic Roman number. I think now you don't have any doubt from the Roman number. I am giving you some of the homeworks which you are going to solve at your home and comment your answer either in the comment box or you are going to send the picture of your answer in our Telegram group, link of which will be given in the description box. So my dear students, as you can see, these are the homeworks which you are going to solve at your home, and either you are going to send the solution by writing in the comment box or you are going to click the pictures and share it in the Telegram group. The link of the Telegram group is given in the description box. So my dear students, take care, have a nice day, see you in the next class.